Hi all, this is Subramaniam here. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional and also an AWS certified DevOps engineer professional. Today I'll be talking about how to create an admin user, all that. Let me log into my console. This is the Chrome browser and I am at aws.amazon.com and sign into the console. I saved my credentials so it has directly logged in. Sorry, I saved my credentials, so due to that it has directly logged in. And this is the region which I have chosen, North Virginia. Let me choose IAM services. So if I go for IAM services, automatically the region will change to the global actually. So this will be applicable for all the regions. Now, actually, it is not advisable to use the root user for day-to-day activities. Instead of that, we require to use the admin users uh, to create the users or all other services that we need to create. Let us see how that admin users can be created. Click on users, add user, give some name like admin user. Okay, I am allowing this admin user to access this AWS services both programmatically and as an and also through the console AWS management console. I'm checking these two checkboxes and I want to leave this as default. Okay, so here I'm checking out this checkbox which enables to change his password after his login, after his first login. Go to the permissions. Here I have created the user already, that is admin user. I am going to create a new group and I will add that admin user into the this group. Let me give the name for this group as admin group. Okay, and you can see the list of policies available. For this admin user, I am going to use this administrative access policy. You can click on this and then check the details if you need. Okay, I am going to give him all administrator access. So I have chosen this policy and attaching this policy to this admin group. Obviously, this policies will get applied to that admin user also. Create group. Okay, so then click on tags. I don't have any tags to give as of now. Leave as it is. Then click on review. Okay. Now it has redirected to the add user page. Here you have given the name and you have already created this admin group. You are adding this user to this admin group and there is a few more policies attached to this user, that is default, which enables to log in into his console after he gets the credentials. Then click on create users. Okay, now the user has been successfully created. Download this CSV which is required down the line. Now this CSV is downloaded. So the now the username is admin user, and this is the access key, this is the secret key, and this is the password. Yeah, okay. You can send an email to that specific user if needed. Okay. If this user is required to log into the console, he will be required to use the username and this password, and he has to use this URL. If the user is required to access the AWS services through programmatically, then you will be required to use this access key and secret access key. Okay. Let me close this. Now the user has been created. Now let us see how this user can log in into this console. This is my downloaded CSV file, which contains the all the details about this specific user. This is the username, password, access key, secret key. This is the URL. I am copying this URL, and then I am going to use my incognito window to log into this AWS console. This is my Chrome incognito window. Let me go to this URL. Okay. So now automatically taken my account name actually. So initially it was an 12 digit account number. I have customized it to a name. Now I have given my alias name for my account. So this is to improve the security aspects for this AWS services. Now copy the username. Username is admin user. Paste here. Go to the password. This is the password. Copy the password. Go back to your incognito window. Now I have given my password. Click on sign in. You might, yeah, yes, you have logged in now. It is asking to change your current password. So this is my account name. This is my numerical account number of my account. This is the username. Let me do Control V for my current password. New password I will give something. Retype the new password. Click on confirm password change. Yes, now you have successfully created your admin user. Now I am able to log into that admin user. So you can see here admin user at Subbu AWS CZ. So this is my account name. By default, it has chosen the region as Ohio. Okay, so he can do all the activities whatever he needs. Go to an EC2 dashboard, and then you can go for instances. You can go for launching an instance. So all that you will be able to do. So actually like that we can create an admin user and he will be able to use that. Let me go back to my root user account. Let me close this. Okay, so now you can see the groups. This is my root user account. Here you can see the group. This is the admin group which I have created newly. Okay. To this group you can add the users to this group, and then you can remove the users to this group. Currently there is single user attached to this group actually. So this is the permissions tab. You can attach new policy if needed, otherwise you can delete new any policy which is already attached to this user group. Then access advisor. So we can explore on this actually. So now this group has 238 238 numbers of AWS services he has access. So these are the different AWS services which this group user can use. Okay. So you can click on each of these to get more details about this. This is the group. Then we'll see about the users. Currently I have this many users. The new user which we created now is admin user. So these are the permissions he has currently now. So we can add new permissions to this user if needed. And let us see the groups to which he belongs to. This admin user is added to a group, admin group, that we did now. So that is reflecting over here. Then the tags, we are not added any tags. That's why it is not displaying anything here. You can add if needed. Then security credentials. You can manage the security credentials for this specific user. You can explore on all this, and you can upload SSH public key to this specific user so that you will be able to access this code commit repository. Then you can generate the credentials to the specific user for HTTPS Git credentials for AWS code commit. You can also generate the credentials for accessing Amazon key spaces. It may be for Cassandra. So all these activities can be done. And let us see the next tab, which is Access Advisor. Okay. So there are 238 services you will be able to use. So these are all allowed services actually. Yeah, previously I told like so there was in a group, admin user group. That group was allowed with two, 238 numbers of services. So obviously this the user attached to this group, he will be also having 238 uh, different services which are provided by the AWS. So like this you can create an admin user and then you can use it. That's all from me as of now. Let us catch up with the next topic in next time. Thank you all. Bye.